There are 3 Swiss business class lounges at the Hub Airport in Zurich. Today I'm going to visit the Swiss Business Lounge E. Come join me for a tour. As you walk in, you will see some seating area and a lounge filled with natural light. For those who would like to do some work, there are some dark private booths which you can duck into. Some have computers, whilst others just have a desk for your own laptop. The main area is very spacious. There is also an entire wall dedicated to reading materials. There are lots to choose from, and I'm sure there'll be something that will suit your interest. This lounge doesn't lack in terms of food or drinks either. There are a good selection of soft drinks, beers, water, juices, and wines. Now just look at this mountain of spirits. As I continue, there are some cold deli items, as well as bread, cereal, and yogurts. On the other side, there are some sweets, more bread, and a live egg station, cooked to order. This changes to a pasta station during lunch. In the middle, there's a very cool looking coffee machine, though I would still prefer to have barista made coffee. They only seem to appear in lounges in Australia. Nonetheless, the coffee wasn't too bad. There are also shower facilities in this lounge, though make sure you book as soon as you arrive, as there are only 4 showers available. Inside, it's very clean and nice, with decent amenities. Now for the best part of this lounge, the view. Just look at the amount of windows, space, seating that look out onto the runway. There's even an outdoor area for those who want to be immersed in the engine sounds. It's just amazing. Of course, I couldn't help myself either, and spent a good amount of time outside. This has to be one of the best plane spotting lounges I've been to. You're so close to the action. They've even got a map and a set of binoculars for you. Now enjoy this takeoff. Now that was just amazing. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below which is your favourite lounge for plane spotting. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.